you so much for joining me today on the s'mores bar soap making video. So today's soap making video is going to be a little bit messy. As you can see, while I was pouring my lye water solution into the oils, I dropped the spatula. Now that I've blended the lye water solution and the oils together, I am adding the fragrance oil, and today's fragrance oil is French vanilla. So here I'm adding some coffee grounds with some titanium dioxide to brighten up the soap, since once it's cured with the fragrance oil, it is going to turn a dark brown. The soap started to heat up and it's thickened very quickly, so I have to make sure I pour it in as fast as I can, and here comes the mess. I can tell you right away, making soap is never perfect. There's always some unexpected things that happen, and you can make a mess as shown right here. Here I took a few seconds to tap the soap down to remove any excess bubbles that might happen, because we don't want any bubbles in our soap as much as possible. We want to make it nice and uniform and smooth. "24 hours later, we're back to cut that soap. So this is 24 hours. The soap is pretty light, but trust me, it will get darker when it will cure. It is now time to work on our frosting and beautify this soap. So here I added some titanium dioxide to the oils prior to adding the lye water solution, just because I wanted the perfect type of white color that I'm looking for, and I'm just going to stick blend until I like the consistency. I added the soap batter to a piping bag, and now it is time to pipe those pretty little dollops. So for the frosting, all I'm doing is 3 at the bottom, 2 in the middle, and the 1 on the top. So here I'm going to be sprinkling it with some beautiful cacao powder. The final touch here is a white and rose gold paper straw. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Until next time, bye!